How I choose my stocks. So in this video you are gonna know how the pirate of Wall Street chooses his stock. Let's start. First, add stock to the watch list. If someone suggests you a stock, or if you find it on Facebook, or even on YouTube, or you even read it and you like it, add it to your watch list. That's the first thing you're gonna do, because that's the only way you can keep up with your stock. How can you do that? I recommend you use Yahoo Finance. That's perfect. I always use it. Next, watch quick video or read a description. You want to have a quick overview of the company. Why would you do that? You need to know as much as possible. This is essential so that you know when to sell. You can take down notes if you want. That's perfect. I always do that. I cover some stocks on Instagram every day, so you may want to take a look at it. Next, if the conditions are right, go in deep. What does that mean? You're gonna wait till the price goes down, the perfect moment. That's when you buy cheap. A great opportunity. Now, read the annual report. That's fundamental. You're not gonna invest if you don't do that. That's also very important to know when to sell a stock. Another thing I like are bad news not regarding the finance of a company. That's how I made a lot of money with Facebook. That's how I made a lot of money with JD.com. That's when you know weak-minded people lose money. And that's when you know when people with a strong mind make a lot of money. Fourth step, do I like the stock? I follow the Warren Buffett method. I usually take a look at the management, the discounted cash flow, investments, the PE ratio and stuff like that. Then I also take a look at tip ranks. And I ask myself, what do analysts think about my stock? Do I share their perspective? Why do they think it's good or bad? You just need to take an advice from them. Stay away from the majority of normal people. Because remember, patience beats every type of shit out there. Alright, now fifth and last point. If yes, I buy. Never start with all of your money. That's very important. It's almost impossible to hit the perfect price, guys. This game is so volatile. I also read every now and then opinions on Seeking Alpha. I also love that application. Remember one rule: don't let people influence you and don't do something just because someone else does.